Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Passcode Community, and I have come up with the e-commerce website tutorial, and I will be teaching you that how we can build the e-commerce website from a very beginner level to an advanced level. So we will be covering all this in several tutorials, we can say, and this tutorial is to show you the development flow, that how we're gonna make it, and what will be the flow and what will be the features that we are going to include in it. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the features that we are going to integrate into our website. First thing first, it there will be the authentication, and we can say uh, the sign up and login thing, all that. And on the second, the role based access comes to us. In an e-commerce website, we obviously have an admin to manage things out. We have customers and we have vendors that can sell their products over that e-commerce website. So that is the core of our website basically. So we have to set up all the dashboards. Also, there will be products, there will be categories, product listing, and all the searching things. Also, we will be adding the shopping carts to it. There will be the order placement and the checkouts thing. Also, very importantly, I will be integrating Stripe into it, which is a payment gateway, and it will be really helpful. And we will make the payments over there so that you can integrate it into your real application. So it will help you a lot. Okay, so let's move on to another slide. Okay, so this is the part one slide, and this is what I will be teaching you in the very first video of our, we can say, the e-commerce website tutorial. So in this video, I will be teaching you the project setup and the authentication, that how we will be doing that. We will have our introduction, and we will have our project overview. We will be doing this using Laravel, and which is a PHP framework basically. And for styling, we will be using Bootstrap. We can also add some custom CSS, we can say, and we will be integrating Stripe API. So that was all the tech part. Also for the database, we will be using MySQL. Okay, so authentication system. There will be a multi-authentication system, which is multi-auth, which will be for admin, user, and vendor, obviously. So there will be a role-based access to every user, and we will be setting admin dashboard in our very first video. Using Bootstrap, there will be the sidebar, navigation bar, and welcome page. Okay, so let's move on to our very second video. This will be our second video. We will be managing categories, like we will do things with the database. We will create tables, the categories table, products table, and orders table. And we will be setting up the relationships. So there are many relationships, like there are several categories: one to one, one to many. So we will look all these also. Also we will do categories CRUD. So basically creating the categories, updating them, deleting them, and reading them. So we will be doing all that stuff in this video, which will be solely category management video. Let's move on to our third video. This will be a project management video basically. So we will be managing products. The CRUD of the product will be done in this video. Also, we will be uploading the images for every product, we can say, and we will be dealing with all that stuff: product listing and search, like searching several products and all that. So this will be the core of our third video. Okay, so let's move on to our fourth video. Our fourth video will basically comprises of the front end design, like the home page, the landing page with product listing and with featured products and the categories and all that. Also, we will be creating a product detail page. We will be showing the images, prices, and stock, and the related product section, search details, and filter products. So this is the core of our fourth video. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in our fifth video, and it will be related to the shopping cart and the order placement. Obviously, it is an e-commerce website, so there should be a cart and the a facility of placing the order, obviously. So we will be integrating that functionality here. We will create the all cart section here, and we will place the order. So that is the core of our fifth video. Okay, this sixth video will be solely on checkout thing, that how we have to check out using several products, a single we can say, or multiple. So there will be the shipping addresses and all that. uh, all those things that are in a e-commerce website. Typically we will be doing all that. So it will I guess you guys must have experienced all these in your daily life, that how you are just checking out. We have to create all that backend and front end things. So I guess it will be really fun. Okay, so let's move on to video number 7. Video number 7 is Stripe integration. So I'm gonna integrate this Stripe into the website. So we'll be setting up the Stripe keys and complete payment flow, that how we have to receive the payments and all that. So we will do it in test mode, and if any one of you want to uh, do it or integrate it in your real life project, you can use the real API keys as well. Okay, so this one is eighth video, and this one is of order management, where obviously admin has to manage several things like the users as well and the orders as well. So there will be pretty much stuff in the admin dashboard as well, and the customer as well, because we have to update the customer about, okay, these are your orders and these are the statuses of your orders, these are the invoices. So we will be dealing with all these things in part 8. Let's move on to part 9, which is the final of it, probably final. So this one is based on advanced features, which we can decide to do it, or we can skip them as well. So these are the all advanced features which we can decide later on whether to do that or not, like a separate dashboard for each vendor. uh, Vendor refers to the seller basically, and when we will be creating a complete dashboard for each seller, then we will be showing them that, okay, these are the products which you have placed on our e-commerce website, and these are the sales against your products, and these are this is your profit margin and all that. So it uh, it make things really advanced, so we can go with that. Let's see. Okay, so second, we can create a customer wish list, like the favorites as well. We can integrate some coupons and discount things as well, and reviews and ratings on these several products as well. So this was the whole project development flow of an e-commerce website which I have designed, and I have planned to come up with these videos. I hope it will be really helpful to you guys, and to to understand that how to build an e-commerce website from a scratch and to go with the advanced. So I'm coming with the first video very soon. Stay tuned with that. Bye bye.